All right, subprime bloggers back for another rendition of bad credit loans and helping the state of Florida. I'd like to apologize for all those in Cape Coral, Florida. I pronounced it Cape Coral, and it's not really the OK Corral down there in Florida, so it is Cape Coral. So I do apologize. I'm not the brightest cookie. I just try to give financial advice and create YouTube videos. So now we're going to look at Pembroke Pines unsecured personal loans. A lot of people are looking to avoid payday loans because of the high fees that they are paying. So they're going towards unsecured personal loans or installment loans or even secured personal loans. So I did a quick search on Google Maps to see what was available as far as unsecured personal loans in the Pembroke Pines area. And of course, the first two ads show up are both online options. Prosper.com and Lending Club are both options that you can do online. You can submit the application online, but most people will probably want to go to a physical location to check out a personal loan opportunity. The first place that comes up is America One. It's a bank at 12270 Southwest 3rd Street in Fort Lauderdale. I'll open their website here and let it load while we look at some of the other options. Unsecuredloanservices.com is in Oakland, Florida. Also got a website here. They offer unsecured loans, personal loans, startup business loans. So let's take a look at America One. As you can see, looks like a personal loan lender. Wouldn't consider this necessarily a bank, so I was wrong. This is more of just a bad credit, no collateral loan lender. They probably offer between $500 and $5,000 in loans, but you're going to see an interest rate of 25% to 35%. This is going to be very common if you have a credit score under 600. They say, you can use it for debt consolidation or dream vacations. I would not use an unsecured personal loan for a dream vacation. That's just me. It does say rates are starting at 6.78%. Yeah. Good luck getting a personal loan at 6.78% with no collateral. That being said, there are many other options available in the state of Florida. There's Golden Loans at 99 Southeast Misner Boulevard. Liberty Unsecured is on North Federal Highway. As I scroll down here, I notice Bank of America listed twice. As I mentioned in the Cape Coral, not Cape Coral, Cape Coral payday loans video, Bank of America does not offer unsecured personal loans anymore. They may say they do in this little information here, but I would disagree because after the credit crisis, they stopped offering these products. Doesn't mean you can't get a personal loan, just not an unsecured personal loan. The Lauderhill Pawn Shop definitely offers any type of unsecured personal loan. Obviously, you'll have to get a pawn loan most likely, and there's a guy who got some money, and I like the $100 bills at the top. That's kind of cute. And looks like they're doing a lot of business on eBay. Open 7 days a week. I would hope they are open late. So there are plenty of options, as you'll see. I would suggest, looking at some of these websites, looking at the interest rate you'll likely pay. There are plenty of interest rate calculators available online. If you can get an interest rate under 15%, that would be considered pretty good for a bad credit score borrower. Do not expect to see this. You'll probably get a rate over 20 or 25%, but doesn't mean that you shouldn't take out a payday, or not a payday loan, an unsecured loan. Come back and check out more subprime blogger articles and videos to get more information about bad credit loan options throughout the United States. I will continue in the state of Florida with the next video.